Experienced New Jersey arson attorney. Are you facing arson charges? If you are being investigated for or have been charged with arson, you must find a lawyer immediately. Lustberg Law Offices, LLC has the experience and knowledge that you need to combat these charges and present an aggressive defense. We can work hard to protect your freedom and fight for your case. What is arson under New Jersey law? Arson is defined as burning a building or structure so that you can collect insurance money or for another unlawful purpose. In addition, this charge can be levied for a deliberate burning or explosion that damages land or vehicles. If the property is not your own, you can be charged with arson even if it is due to recklessness. In New Jersey, arson charges fall into two categories: ordinary arson and aggravated arson. The lesser offense of ordinary arson describes the crime of starting a fire or explosion on your own property or another person's property while recklessly placing another person in danger, placing a building or structure in danger, or placing a forest in danger of either destruction or damage, or committing the crime to collect insurance from a property's damage or destruction, or destroying or damaging a structure to get an exemption from a zoning law, planning law, regulation, etc. Ordinary arson can be punished by as much as 5 years in prison. Simple arson versus aggravated arson. The intention of the defendant is usually what makes the difference between aggravated or simple arson. An aggravated offense is with the purpose of causing injury by setting off an explosion or fire to damage a building, forest, or other structure. Simple arson is when you intentionally or recklessly endanger another person, or set fire to a building with the purpose of destroying it. New Jersey arson consequences. New Jersey arson convictions can have different outcomes depending on the circumstances surrounding the case. In New Jersey, a person can suffer the following consequences if they commit arson: prison time, lengthy probation, insurance coverage loss. Entry to certain drug, alcohol, or psychiatric programs may be denied. There are many defenses that can be used to defend against a charge of arson depending on what happened and where it occurred. These defenses include mistaken identity, intentional failure, alibi defense. It was an accident that caused the fire. Natural causes caused the fire. The fire was caused by electrical and mechanical sources. Investigation of flawed fire points to a human catalyst for fire. At the time, the alleged victim was intoxicated. Decreased defense capacity or insanity. New Jersey criminal defense attorney Adam M. Lustberg explains aggravated arson charges. Aggravated arson is when a person knowingly or purposely sets a fire for one of the following reasons: to expose someone to death or injury, to destroy a building or structure that is owned by someone else, to collect insurance for damage or destruction which recklessly exposed someone to death or injury, to destroy or damage a structure to exempt it from a state, county, or local zoning, planning, or building law, regulation, ordinance, or enactment, and which recklessly places someone in danger of injury or death. To purposely damage or destroy a forest. An experienced arson attorney will be able to go through the evidence and retain an expert to dispute that evidence. This can be essential to your defense and can lead to your acquittal or reduction of your charge to a lesser offense. Attorney Adam M. Lustberg and his law office team of legal professionals have experience dealing with arson cases. He may be able to help you with your case, too. Call us today at 201-880-5311 to schedule a consultation of your case with a skilled attorney for criminal defense.